In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone your voice on Fish Audio. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the official fish.audio/app website over here and make sure to create an account if you haven't already. You're able to go ahead and create an account for free by using something like a Gmail account. But nonetheless, once you do that, then you're going to be brought to a dashboard that is going to look like this. Now, you want to make sure that in the top left that creative is selected. Then you want to go to the top menu and you'll notice that we'll get this section that says create voice, and you're able to create a digital copy of any voice with your advanced AI. So you're able to go ahead and press on it. And you'll notice we'll get multiple different options. So we have instant voice clone over here, and we have professional voice clone that will actually make things even better. But of course, you will need to actually verify that it is actually you who is trying to clone the voice and stuff like that. So there are more restrictions for the professional voice clone, but we also do have instant voice clone as well. And we also do have voice design. So for this video, let's keep things simple and go with the instant voice clone. But keep in mind, professional voice clone is also an option. Go ahead and press on it. And now it is going to prompt you to record or upload your audio files. You can press on this microphone button to record any audio samples that you want to use. Like if you want to clone your voice, all you would need to do is you need to chat. Or if you have like an audio file ready to go, you can drag and drop it. So I already do have an audio file right here. So let me go ahead and upload it. And then over here, it's going to let you know the duration of it. So they recommend to go up to 90 seconds. But once you get like a minute or so, that is also good as well. You can obviously upload even more files. Once you're done with that, press on Start Analyze. And that is going to begin analyzing the audio and actually begin cloning it. So go ahead and be patient a little bit. And this is just a voice sample that I did record for Devara Pizza, a iconic pizza place in New York City. But from here, we just need to go ahead and wait it out. All right, once you're done with that, it's then going to say good. You're going to select on continue to details. And then over here, it's going to give you a bunch of pre-generated like voice details and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and give a name. So for this, I'm just going to be calling it how to now clone. You can change things like the cover, the description, the age and stuff like that, the gender, use cases, etc., voice style, and whether you want it to be public or not. And once again, you need to confirm that you do have permission to actually use this model. So over here, you're able to adjust other things as well. But once you're done with that, you're able to press on create. All right. And then check this out. We now have our voice right over here, and you're even able to go ahead and use this sample. All right. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and select on use the voice. And then you can go ahead and use it for whatever purposes you need. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.